beauties, it's Jean with Beauty and the Stamper, and I want to show you my Happy Planner haul. So it's not a lot, but it's not a little, so let's go ahead and get started. We've got some washi tape, and it comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 rolls of washi tape there. This was all on a sale. I don't know if the sale is still going on, but I just got it, so it very well could be. This mini pen case, and I say mini just because it's so much smaller than my original pen case. I'm looking to see if I have my original pen case anywhere near me. I don't, but it clips right in, and it's got a nice little pen section, so if you just want to carry around your pens, and it's very cute. Next, we've got these Heartland stickers. I was attracted to the florals and especially the black and white. And then there's some leaves. There's some gold foil. A few other little bits, some washi in there. And that was one. I'm thinking, you guys, this was under $3. I have this guy, they're planner patches. This one says Queen of the Craft Room, Miss Maker, and Create. So cute. That was only a couple bucks as well. These are stickers. This is called Color Story Florals. They've got little stickers and big stickers, all different colors. That's what I love. All the greens there. And then you've got some peach, some blues, some yellow. So it does the job for you. And then look at that beautiful yellow and tan. So there's another one, 76 stickers. Again, just a few dollars. This one is called Summer Bucket List. So wanted to get that since it's the start of summer. We got a weekend getaway, road trip, hanging out with friends. Look at these big, huge stickers. So you're not just stuck in using them on your planner. You can use them on journals, any kind, maybe a scrapbook. Look at how cute this gold foil road trip. And then some small ones, fun day, family day, summer plans, vacay vibes, and ready for the weekend. Look at that, vacay vibes. Some little cameras there. This one is for spring, and you know, spring is now gone. We've moved into summer, but florals just go all year long, so you're good getting these at any time. Love all of these plants here. And then some more florals. These are going to be perfect for the ATC cards, for scrapbooking. You can make cards with them, all kinds of great stuff. And then this one is a planner companion accessory, and it was a Faith planner. So it's not really a planner, it's just, it goes with your planner. So let me show you what's in it. It comes with this little Walk-in Truth bracelet. And then this is what I got it for. So, hold on, there's more in here. There's a ton of little cards as well. So, just all kinds of little cards. It says some double-sided, and it has some prayer on there. It has this says Proverbs, I will direct your steps, I will give you rest, in Matthew. So we've got little Bible verses in there, prayer requests, just super cute to be in there. And then this is your weekly planner. You've got your spiritual wellness. It's got scripture reading, quiet time, and then whatever else you want in here. Your prayer list, This week's memory verse would go in here. You can put your week of in there, and your gratitude. Today I'm grateful for. So there's a good amount in there. And then the last half, hold please, I'll get there. Oh, and the back side has some, holy smokes, let me get my reading glasses on. I can, oh, there we go. Practicing spiritual disciplines, scripture reading, prayer, worship, scripture meditation, fellowship, serving, learning, stewardship of time and money, scripture application, fasting, silence and solitude, and journaling. And then it says this week's focus. All right, so those are those ones. And then this has a, well, they've got notes and a check-off list, a to-do list. But I was using mine, because I've already gotten into this, as a prayer list because I didn't pay attention and see there's a prayer list here. I wish my prayer list was this small, guys. Mine goes up or down and down again twice. So lots of people out there, if you have any specific prayer lists that you'd like, please let me know. I would be so blessed to be able to pray for you. So let me stick these in there. Of course, I'm having a hard time. Let me get these out there. There we go. And then we've got the other side here. We've got some stickers, some prayer stickers. Let it go and let God. Some nice little ones there. Some more verses. And then here we've got lifting up in prayer, church, and reading the Bible. So that'll help you in, or it helps me at least, in putting my stickers where they belong. This is a dry erase. So it could say growing in his grace. So it says rejoicing in, and you can write it in dry erase marker. You can put your prayer and praises right in here. What you're reading, answered prayer. That's a big one. We always need to think and thank for answered prayer. And then this is just dividers here. This one again has record your favorite scripture for quick references, and that is a divider. This is also a divider of gratitude and answered prayer. So this will help in just sometimes you just need a little reminder, especially when you're starting your week. And I thought this would be good. I think this one was the most expensive, and it still wasn't even $10. So that is everything I got. Let me know what your favorite is. I think my favorite is probably this companion. So let me know what yours is, and stick around. Make sure you are subscribing and watching if you want to see how I use those. All right, beauties, I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you later. Bye.
Like watching me make something, then subscribe to my channel.